Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Crypto Malta. My name is Chris and this is another Bitcoin update. So today, as previously expected on the other video, we are finding resistance to the 45k level, which is the W pattern neckline. This is due to the in the lower time frames, we are zooming on the 1 hourly, we were pretty overbought on the RSI. So now we had time to cool off and formed an ascending triangle, which unfortunately, but it is in the very short term, broke down. So I'm expecting a retest of this broadening wedge, change it from resistance to support, and pushing back up to gain momentum to break the 45k level. Another thing worth noting, that is nothing with Bitcoin but with the Bitcoin dominance, we have been forming this descending triangle, and right now we are not touching, but we are near its resistance trend line. When we touch it, I expect an altcoin season. So these altcoins that right now are not performing so well, although Bitcoin went up, I'm expecting a very bullish few days or maybe 2 to 3 weeks where we can profit from that. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this content.